You are going to love the 2021 Venue. The Hyundai Venue is extremely practical and provides good cargo capacity for its compact size. Available technology features provide even more reason to give this vehicle a chance. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.